you doing here?
I have some bad news for you. Knight found out that the organization is backing you.
What about our deal? I paid you a lot of money. You worked for me, too.
It's come down to you or them, and the bottom line is I'm working for them. Didn't you learn anything from all those B movies you produced?
What are you... No!
I'm Edward Kent, Ms. Bennett's executive secretary. I encode 90 words a minute. I take shorthand at 120. I do not, however, make coffee, nor have I ever been chased around a desk.
I could be on Maui. On Maui, surrounded by beach bunnies and bikinis.
This is Tinseltown, Mr. Knight. Place where massive egos collide. Where people get a kick out of watching their friends fail. You shouldn't involve yourself in affairs that don't concern you. Goodbye, Mr. Knight. Where 10,000 mourners go to a producer's funeral just to make sure the jerk is really dead. Take it from me, Mr. Knight. You have waded into a pool of sharks.